As we are watching nowadays, there is a different kind of atmosphere and patternistic hatred or Islamophobic atmosphere are being built up. And somewhere we are watching that there is a government elements are involved in such kind of atmospheres. And the same pattern we had watched and seen, they have been enacted in 2020, 2019 during the CA protest and all that. And in the similar pattern, because Maharashtra elections are incumbent, and similar pattern of hatred atmosphere are being built up, and there are vested interests are involved. Looking and seeing a series of FIR has been lodged and no arrest has been made. That's why now the petitioner has approached before Bombay High Court stating that since DGP and Commissioner are not interested to arrest or investigate, or they might be under pressure from the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, who has said that Santa ka case touch nako kara, etc., etc. In such a way, it looks that certain investigating officers are under duress and under pressure. That's why they are not properly investigating the cases. That's why we wanted the case to transfer from the local police to CBI or any other police special agency, because it also looks DGP of the Maharashtra is also not looking into the such matters where a hatred atmosphere, Islamophobic atmosphere has been built up. Icons of the Islam and Muslims religious places are being targeted or threatened to be targeted by the sitting legislature, who is a constitutional office bearers, although he is saying that's a gabbar, etc., etc., which is prohibited as per his own oath as well. And CM is also somehow wanted to see a kind of hysteria and hatred in the society. It looks prima facie. That's why we had approached Bombay High Court via this writ petition, and we are seeking direction from Bombay High Court to proper action has to be taken against Nitish Rane, against Eknath Sambaji Shinde, CM, and other gang of social media handlers who are in collusion with all these conspiracies to spread the hatred in the Maharashtra society due to incumbent elections on the pattern of Delhi hatred which they had created in 2019, and they all are in the same pattern, and there is a acts are being enacted like CA, now there is a Waqf, and that's why could be a relation, and that's also DGP is not acting and police officers are not acting properly. That's why we had approached Bombay High Court to do justice for the FIR makers, since there are about 70 FIRs and 7-8 FIRs against Nitish Rane and 60 FIRs against the respondent number 11, that's Ramgiri Maharaj, for stating several wrong notions which are not mentioned in the Abhangas of Tukaram Maharaj. And on page number 877 of the learned, iconic revered book of Tukaram Maharaj, page number 877, there is a praises for Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. There is a praises for other icons, and how this Ramgiri Maharaj's statement can be corroborated from the official ideology of this Honorable Tukaram Maharaj. That's why there is a wrong, deliberate and state sponsored, political sponsored with vindictiveness to get more eyeballs, more votes. A special kind of hatred atmosphere are being built up by the different persons. If somebody is spreading all these things, he is not above law, and this is a pending FIR. That's why he should be taken into interrogation by custodial interrogation. And if it is not there, police are under pressure from the CM or the legislature. That's why CBI inquiry has to be investigated by CBI or any other agencies under the supervision of the Bombay High Court. That's why we are seeking addition to that, there is a gang of social media activists who are getting more sponsorship and monetization out of their monetized handles, and they are vested interests. They are having political portfolio also. That's why we have lodged an well reasons and detailed writ petition before Bombay